Okay guys, Mutated Gamer here with my final release, or hopefully final release, for my email bomber. Some of the features that this one includes that the old one does not include was, for starters, you can have a difference between a pre-made email address and your own custom email address, with pre-made being a set email address that you cannot change, and custom being that you can select your email address and your password for your email address. And a couple features that I added was when you click a text box, or at least for the email address, it selects all the text. And you can also hit enter when entering anything but the body to start sending these spams. I also added the fact that when you select your custom email address, you have the choice of selecting your email provider. The only ones that are really compatible are Gmail, AOL, and Hotmail. Sorry, Yahoo is not supported. And when I say Hotmail, I mean at live.com or at hotmail.com. Anything Hotmail or Live related. Yahoo is not supported because you need a premium account, or paid account I should say, to actually send SMTP email, I think. So I cannot use Yahoo on here, and there's really no other email address services that I thought would be needed to be mentioned. Other than that, there's really nothing else added. I added a stop button to stop the spam if you needed to. I also added a progress bar, and in the release that I'm going to be giving you guys, there should be a help button down here that just shows you how to use this entire program. However, I'll demonstrate how this works. One at wildpmail.com test, and then we can test it, and you can type in or whatever you need, however many spams, or you can just hit the numbers in increments by 2 for the savior of time, or you can just type it in whatever you want. So let's say 20, and then the progress bar is going to go, depending on how many you send, the faster the progress bar is going to go up, because it takes longer to send more emails, of course. So we can just let this go ahead and finish. And I also forgot to mention that in the newer version that I'm going to be giving you guys, because I have the older version on my desktop right now, it not only just includes the help button down here, but there's also a browse button, and this is a dot. It's a button right here. You can browse for an attachment that you might want to send. I don't know why we want that, but I added that as a feature and as a bonus feature, because it's not required, and I don't see a reason it should be. But I'm going to go ahead and open Firefox up here to resend this information, and as you can see, I have pretty much 20, about 20 emails sent, or 16, I probably deleted them, but about 20 emails sent, and just this one email address from my email bomber. And yes, the custom emails do work with all 3 providers. Feel free to test them if you want, but I'm not going to be giving out my email information. And please remember to use this program responsibly and don't get into really any trouble. So I'm Mutated Gamer, and I'm signing out. Okay, just so no one says that the newer version of it is a virus or anything like that, just to prove my theory that all this adds is, the newer version that I'm going to be actually giving you is just an updated version where all it fixes is that an issue that I overlooked about resizing it. Now you cannot resize it or maximize it. It also adds a help button that basically shows you how to use this program, and hit OK to close it, and it also gives you the option to send an attachment on an email address. And readme.txt, I'll just use as an example, and so that would be selecting your file that you want to as an attachment. Just spam that twice, and now if we go back into wildpmail and check 1, it should have 1, and it does show right here that readme.txt was attached to the email address. So just, as proof that it's not a virus or anything. So again, see you guys later, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.